in terms of what I wrote about, it's brain-computer interface technologies, and what that is BCI technologies. It's essentially having brain chips, but it's not just brain chips internally. BCI technologies, you can have external technologies or internal. So I'll just first divide it like that. So when you have external, it's things like, for example, headsets that maybe might be used for a therapy, or the visual goggles, etc., that can help in some form of, I'm going to put it in the healthcare context, right? Like if it's a visual impairment or a mood issue. So there are different kind of innovative tech-based tech-based therapies, tech-based innovations, essentially. Now there's the internal one, which is truly a brain chip. Neuralink, Synchron, they're all working on it. But what got me interested in this is the healthcare portion of it. And, obviously this is an extremely touchy subject in regards to morality, in regards to ethical regulations, in regards to data collection, data privacy, control, etc., like, as a consumer. But then with that being said, with any kind of innovation, you are kind of pushing the envelope, and you have to see, whether it's ultimately good or bad, right? That's how we base negligence too. Is it the risk versus the reward benefit, right? Now we're going into like the legal considerations, the healthcare considerations. If somebody is in a vegetative space and they're trying to figure out their end of care, how can we know that it's authentic? How can we know that it's, truly what they want, right? Without any hacking, etc. That authenticity, but also the informed consent. So there's a lot of different. When you're going into court, are we going to be able to use this as evidence, right?
Wow.
That's a huge thing. But at the same time, it helps. It's been helping people that are disabled, essentially.